channel. My name is Erica, and today I'm going to talk about some finds that I have picked up over the month of December and the early part of January, which, yeah, it's still pretty much the early part of January. But I wanted to show you how I'm styling these clothes for the remainder of the winter season. So I hope that you enjoy this video and the outfits I put together, as well as I'm going to insert each outfit. I'm going to talk about them first, and then each outfit I'm going to insert as I talk about where I picked up these pieces from, and where I, what gave me some little bit of an inspiration as to why I put those outfits together that way. So I hope you will enjoy this as much as I am enjoying doing it for you. So let's get right into this video, and I'm going to show you the first few things that I put together. The first outfit is this black and white polka dot outfit. I picked this up from H&M. Actually, this I picked up back in November. I'm pretty sure of that. No, it was December. It was the grand opening at our England Park store in San Antonio of our newest H&M. I picked this top up. It is actually now on clearance for $7.99. I believe it's on clearance for $7.99. But I picked this top up and I paired it with these black pants. And I liked these black pants.
Please excuse my son's yelling in the background.
Detailing on the ankle. It's two little buttons, faux buttons, and so I put these together along with this long kind of like duster sweater. I picked this up from Walmart for $17.99. I picked this up from Walmart. Originally this top was $17.99 as well. It is now on sale for $17.99. These pants, I picked them up from a grocery retailer, believe it or not, which is H-E-B here in San Antonio, and they were 20 bucks. I will be inserting the picture somewhere around in here so you can see the outfit. I knew I did something. I also paired them with these Bandolino, penny loafer style shoe. Wow, you think you have everything together, but then you realize you don't. This top from H&M as well, rich gold shirt, $12.99. Not a bad buy. I paired this top with these jeans. LEI. I cuffed them, and they were $15 at a store called Family Dollar here in San Antonio, and it was crazy when I found them. And they're just the basic pull-on denim, but I will insert the picture of how I put it together. And I put it with these navy blue Converse. Also with this bag, which was my Michael Kors bag. This is kind of like you're going with your kids or out with your family to do some shopping or to just hang out or go have, lunch or something at Okay, this next outfit I put together was this black turtleneck that I got for $7.99 at Walmart. Very nice piece. Kind of classes up your outfit, even if you didn't pay a whole lot for it. But it was $7.99. Then I paired it with these kind of cream-colored slacks that I picked up from Burlington Coat Factory for 12 bucks. Then I also put it with this, once again, the sweater knit duster to kind of bring it all together. I will be inserting the picture in there so you can kind of see that look pulled together. And then I have that with my incline bag. And the shoes were these Life Stride that I picked up from Ross probably about a year ago, and they were $19.99. My last outfit, I picked this up from Burlington Coat Factory as well. It's a cozy sweater. It's shorter in the front and longer in the back. Really like that style of sweater. My only drawback with this sweater is that it has a lot of fuzz on the inside, and so it can kind of get all over you. But I do like it because where I live at, you don't necessarily have to have a coat all the time. So these nice cozy sweaters like this, you can go out and about and without having a jacket. So I paired them with these distressed denim that I picked up from Melrose, and they were $14.99, and they got distressing all the way down to the actual ankle. And I paired that with these black flats that I picked up from Walmart. They were $9.99, and I wore my Michael Kors bag once again with that. So something that I put together that will take me through the rest of the winter holidays. I hope they are some inspirations for you guys, as well as they have kind of made me feel really good about myself. So I will try to find the links for some of these outfits because like H&M, I know I can find those links. They are on clearance. Burlington, maybe not so much because, you know, Burlington is like a Ross. Really and truly, you know, if you don't pick it up and buy it at that time, you won't get it. And then a type of inspiration of styling your winter clothes so that you won't feel drab and bummed out. Of course, most of my clothing was denim and black, but I did pop some of these little pops of color and prints in there to kind of cheer up the winter look. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and share with a friend. Please share with a friend. I would like to get my subscriptions up. Thank you.